In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users to Circle. So from your website after a payment is made. This can be a valuable tool for seamlessly integrating your website with Circle.so to manage your community effectively. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your Circle.so admin account. This is your starting point for setting up the integration and managing your settings. Once you're logged in, you can access all the necessary features we'll be discussing today. Next, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile photo in the top right corner. From there, go to the Settings section and then select Payments. This is where you'll set up your payment options, ensuring that everything is properly configured for processing transactions. It's important to make sure that your preferred payment processor, such as Stripe, is connected. If it's not, go ahead and link it now. This connection ensures that all payments are processed smoothly, which is critical for granting access to your community following a purchase. Now head over to Settings once again and choose the Payments tab, then Plans. Here, you'll be able to create a payment plan. Click on Create Plan and you'll be prompted to set a name for your plan, its price, and the access level it grants. Once you've filled in these details, click Save to store your new plan. After setting your plans, you'll need to go to Spaces from the main dashboard. Select the specific space you'd like to manage, click Settings, and then Access. Within the Access settings, toggle the Require Paid Plan option. This allows you to specify which plan is linked to purchases on your website. Be sure to select the appropriate plan and save these changes. With everything set up on Circle, so the next step involves your website. Integrate the checkout link or Stripe payment button onto your site. This enables the automation of granting access once a payment is completed. Your users will then automatically gain access to the specified plan or space on Circle, so upon successful payment. For those occasions where you may need to invite users manually, there's an optional step. On Circle, so navigate to the Members section, then Invite Members. Here you can invite users via email. Just enter the user's email address and click Send Invite. This feature is perfect for manually adding users who might have